Hello, Tula here. I'm working with pastel pencils on plain paper, and I picked a toothy paper, of course, and I was looking for a way to get my pencils to get my color to get into the tooth of the paper, and I tried making these paper stumps, and of course I've been using Q-tips as well, but I wanted to try something else, and I thought I can use cardboard, and what better than an empty toilet paper roll, because there is smoothness to the cardboard, and instead of throwing these to be recycled again, I can use them. So I did a bit of a try yesterday, and it worked really well. I'm just cutting a little bit. And I'll use the side that I cut because it's less frayed than the outside of the roll. And I'm just twisting it. All I want is to get a good point here, so that there's not a lot of space in the middle. And let me just cut a bit of this. Where's the edge? Do you also lose the edge all the time? Okay. Roll it again. Okay, I think this is a good point. Put a bit more tape here. Okay, so I do have a bit of a hole here, but it doesn't matter. I'll just trim the edges a bit. And I keep one side, just from experimenting yesterday and today. It's nice to have one side that is longer, so I can hold it. And it's really comfortable drawing with your finger like this. Alright, so let's try out this little stump that I just made. I made a few tests before, as you can see, but I want to make another one. Let's get some turquoise. I'll create a few leaves. I like making leaves. Maybe a third one. One of the things I want to test is how good of a point I can get. Okay, for the sake of the test, this is enough. I'll zoom you closer. Alright, so these are my leaves. And okay, first of all, let's use just the stump. So there are still bits of white showing, but it's definitely better than without any blending. Can go over my line, can push the color a little bit. I can get an alright edge. It's really comfortable having this on my finger. I feel like I have a lot of control. Okay, the second thing I want to try is the Q-tip. It's already got color on it, but the thing is that with the Q-tip I can get much better coverage. So I'll try to use it. Of course, the disadvantage is that I have to be really careful at the edges, and I can't get a fine point with it, of course. Okay, this is one, and maybe I'll do just 1/2 of this leaf. Okay, now let's try blending on top. Now what I wanted to try is adding color on top of the Q-tip blending. Sorry. Okay. Okay, the paper can't take any more color. All I'm getting is dust. I just used, I got a comment from someone that told me I was zoomed in too close, so I'll zoom you out a little bit in a minute. Okay, so this was just a stump. This one I think was the Q-tip, no blending at all. This is a Q-tip with a bit of color on top. I can add some more. Okay, see, now you can really see the dots of color, and this one I blended a second layer of color on top. And this is what it looks from a bit further back. So this is my little stump. I think it's a great idea. I'm going to go on using it when I need to go into fine points, and I like that it's using everyday materials and repurposing things that would have gone to be recycled otherwise. I hope you enjoy using your toilet paper stumps. Toilet, yeah. Okay, bye bye.